single day, I'm gonna make something great. That's my way. Every single day, I'm gonna make something great. That's my way.
Hey guys, we are back for a brew day. Today I'm doing another pale ale, which I'm hoping to have ready for Christmas. I'm calling this one the M&M Pale Ale. I'll put the malt bill and the hops on the side of the screen. But the M&M basically is coming from the hops that I'm using, which are Moutere, which is a New Zealand hop, previously known as Brooklyn, and the other M is from Mosaic. So it's a combo of New Zealand and American hops. Yeah, hopefully with that medium crystal and biscuit we get some nice malt flavours coming through with the hops. So, but what I'm doing at the moment, I've finished the mash, and I'm just doing a 15-minute mash out at the moment. It's 76, 77 degrees. So we'll let that finish, and we'll come back to the next stage. Got some quite nice colour on the wort there from the biscuit and crystal malt. So stay tuned, we'll be back shortly. Okay, so we've finished the mash out. I've just pulled the malt pipe out, and I'm just letting that drain while I bring the boiler up to the boil, or the liquid up to the boil. Doing the old no sparge again, so I did a full volume mash. I think I said in a previous video, I just compensate for the slightly less efficiency or brew house efficiency with a little bit of extra grain, only a couple of 100 grams to make up for not sparging, but I think it's worth the time and that I save. So yeah, we'll let that do its thing, and then we'll come back. Cup of tea and a hot chocolate to keep me going in the meantime. See you shortly. Okay, we are 10 minutes from the end of boil. Got the wet chiller and sterilising. I'm going to add in the 10-minute addition. There we go, which is 20 grams of Moutere and 20 grams of Mosaic, basically to give me my mid-30s IBUs, and then we'll be adding the rest in at 0 minutes for a hop stand. So we'll be back shortly. Cheers. Okay, we've finished the boil, and I've cooled the wort down to just under 80 degrees. So now we're going to add in 55 grams of Moutere and 55 grams of Mosaic. I'm going to use the hop spider just because there's quite a few hops in there. So we'll let that do a hop stand for 20 minutes, and then we'll start chilling it down. Cheers guys. Okay, the transfer has finished. I'm going to pitch the yeast. It's USA 5, which I like to use for most of my hoppy pale ales or IPAs. So I'll put that on. So what I'll do is after this I'll clean up, and we'll come back and we'll have a look at the gravity sample. Okay guys, we have finished brew day. I've managed to clean up, and here is the finished hydro sample, clocked in at 1046. Nice sort of juicy sort of burnt orange colour. You'll probably know straight away it's not very clear. That's probably down to a couple of things. Used quite a lot of hops, so in a half batch I used 150 grams of hops, and also when I went to put in the Whirfloc tablet, I realised it didn't actually have any, so that's hasn't helped at all. So it's probably going to end up like a hazy pale ale at the end, but it is what it is. I can't change it now, so we'll have a taste of it. It's got some, that typical sweet wort. Probably a little sweeter than normal because of the added crystal. A little bit of dryness from the biscuit malt, and a nice sort of upfront bitterness. And you can taste the hops. It's early days, you can't really, they're not really coming through as they will in the finished beer, but yeah, sample tastes good. So thanks for watching. We will ferment this, bottle it up, and I'll come back in probably about 3 weeks or so, and we'll crack one open. So thanks for watching. Stay tuned. I'll put a recipe below in the description under the video. If you've got any questions, just sing out, and we'll catch you next time. Thanks for watching. Cheers, guys.